Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss the disadvantages of using organic fertilizers in gardening and farming. While organic fertilizers are natural, they can be costly compared to synthetic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers tend to have slower release rates, which means the nutrients may not be readily available to plants. The composition of organic fertilizers may vary, leading to inconsistencies in nutrient content. Some organic fertilizers, such as manure, can have a strong odor that may be unpleasant to handle. The nutrients in organic fertilizers can take longer to break down and become available to plants, leading to slower growth. Organic fertilizers usually have lower nutrient concentrations, which may require larger quantities to achieve desired results. There is a risk of nutrient runoff with organic fertilizers, which can lead to environmental issues like water pollution. Certain organic fertilizers, like bone meal, can attract pests and rodents to the garden. Organic fertilizers can also carry pathogens, such as E. coli, which can pose health risks if not properly composted. The effectiveness of organic fertilizers can be dependent on external factors like temperature and moisture levels.